Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Finish the core early missions so all characters and side content are active. Once done, locate the first Epsilon brochure or approach the van to spawn program triggers. You don't need every collectible yet. Make sure you own the Epsilon robes or make a $5,000 donation at the Epsilon Center to flag the script. That initial flag flips an internal switch. From here, you're ready to follow NPC cues and continue into the scripted encounter sequence. You now move through the complex middle sequence. Visit the Epsilon Center during daytime and listen to the receptionist prompts because those lines advance the state machine. Then accept and finish the 2-3 scripted tasks, fetch items, take requested photos, and bring evidence back while keeping your wanted level at 0. If a waypoint appears, follow it immediately. Delays can reset timers. Also avoid harming program NPCs, since hostility can break the trigger chain and require a reload. You finish by executing the final handoff or ritual the script requests, handing over items, or completing the last dialogue to lock the mission as complete. Once done, save immediately and check other characters' journals to confirm global flags updated. If you run into a stuck trigger, reload a save from before the last step, clear any active scripts by leaving the area, or advance 24 in-game hours and retry. This clears timed state issues and lets you rerun the final trigger cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.